Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is January 17th, 2021. This is my 56th episode about the programming language C++20 standard. In this episode, we will learn how to use std array, std tuple, std apply, and Variadic Template Parameter Packs. I will film 2 or 3 more videos about std array, std tuple, std apply, and the Variadic Template Parameter Packs. I have a Korean channel. If you can understand Korean, then by clicking this link, you can visit my Korean channel. In my Korean channel, I am currently filming about numerical analysis and C++20 standard. If you can understand Korean, then you can visit my Korean channel and learn more advanced programming technique about numerical analysis and C++20 standard. If you want to understand and follow my current and future sessions, you probably have to install latest version of Microsoft Visual Studio, GNU G++, clang++, Intel TBB. If you haven't installed these tools, please double-click this link and visit the Programming Language C++20 Standard playlist. By watching all videos starting with Setup, you have to create command line prompt like this or like this properly on your machine. Otherwise, you may not follow and understand my current and future sessions. In the File Explorer, CPP20, this is our working folder. Copy the folder path, start Visual Studio Code, go to File, open folder, paste the folder, select folder. In this folder, select blank space, then click this button, 056, array, tuple. Hit enter, click this button, array.cpp, hit enter, Ctrl B. First off, let me explain why std array and std tuple are super important or critical in modern C++ programming. If the count of elements of a container does not change during runtime of our program, prefer to std array or std tuple because both are static or compile time constructs and are much more faster and efficient than std vector. Both std array and std tuple were introduced to C++11 standard, but having been extended since then to C++20 standard. That is, both std array and std tuple are becoming more and more important for maximal performance. Include talkplay fun, output HPP, talkplay fun, S stream, auto, NL, talkplay fun, NL, auto, and L, talkplay fun, and L. This is for one carriage, return, and flush out to console. This is two carriage, returns, and flush out to console. Void test std array 1 into main. I will copy the function name and paste in the function main. I will declare two std array A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I declared two array A and B to use std array, we have to include array, the header file. Now, here I will define output operator, std o stream operator, std o stream os. Here template, type name, element type, size t, size. Here constant std array, element type, size, array. Please understand that std array takes one type parameter, element type, and the size t, size, to template parameter. This is type parameter. This is non-type parameter. Please remember the term. This is type parameter. This is non-type parameter. Please remember the term type parameter and the non-type parameter. Here, if array empty, then OS, this is empty block, return OS. Else, or last array end. Then last plus plus. Here, for or itr array begin itr last plus plus iterator os itr os last curly brace return os. Here os open curly brace. Now here stream a and L faced b. Now start command prompt dir cd 056 array tuple cpp clang std. We are going to use C++ 20 standard array.cpp ltbb or c.exe. Hit enter. Sadly, it does not work. I will change it to like this. Like this. Let's try once again. Okay, it built. CLSC. There is some problem. Here, it should be like this. I have to fix like this. We build once again. CLSC. Now it works perfectly. With this operator, we can use the stream like this. Now I will create another function, copy, paste. This is 2. I will copy this, paste it here. I will disable it. Now here I insert another element. Okay. Now it does not work. We build again. It does not work. Template argument deduced. Int 5. A's type is array. Int 5. B's type array. Int 6. So to make it work, we have to do array like this. If we build again, it should work. CLSC. The biggest advantage of std array is that its instances are returnable from functions, whereas conventional static arrays are not returnable. Here, template, type name T, size, or add arrays, constant std array T, size A, constant std array T, size B, std array T, size C, 4, size ti 0, I less than size plus I, C I equals A I plus B I, return C. Now void test add std arrays, std array A 1 2 3 4 5, B 5 4 3 2 1, or C add arrays A B stream A and L stream B and L stream A plus B equals C and L. I will arrange a little bit. Now copy this function name, copy, paste it here, disable it. We build again CLSC. So array A, array B, two arrays are added up element wise. 1 plus 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. We returned C, an inst of std array, back to its caller to C. Also note that because std array is class, we can overload binary operators as is usual with class types. So I will copy this, copy, paste it here. Now operator plus, copy this, paste, operator minus, here minus. Now test std array with the operators. Copy this function, paste it here, disable it. Now A plus B or D, A minus B. Copy, paste, A minus B, D. Now in the command prompt, we build again CLSC. So A plus B, we used operator for C, element wise added up. In case of A minus B, D A minus B, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, 4. We overloaded operators because std array is class. We can overload binary operators for std array. Std array is as efficient as the conventional static arrays. There is not a single justifiable reason as to use conventional static arrays in modern C++ programming. The C++ standard committee added new features to std array since C++ 11 standard. I say the C++ standard committee have been extending std array by adding new features since C++ 11 standard. I will film 2 or 3 or more videos about std array and std tuple, how to use them together for modern C++ programming.